Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compound sliding miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DOVAMAN 12-inch dual-bevel miter saw. Maybe you've wrestled with a flimsy miter saw that couldn't hold an angle. The DOVAMAN 12-inch stands above the rest for good reason. Here's the thing, a 15-amp pure copper motor pushing 3,800 RPM doesn't apologize to hardwood. 9 preset stops keep your angles honest without fussing. The laser guide means you're cutting lines, not guessing at them. Obviously, dual bevel matters when you're trimming crown molding and don't want to flip boards constantly. At 53.9 pounds, it's not a featherweight, but it's stable. This one's for you if you're done babysitting a budget saw that fights back. Moving on, at number 4, we have the NOVORIK 10D single bevel compound sliding miter saw. If your budget's tight but your project list isn't, the NOVORIK 10 single bevel compound sliding miter saw deserves a hard look. Here's the thing, single bevel means you'll flip your workpiece for opposing angles, which honestly isn't a deal breaker for most weekend warriors. You're getting a 15-amp motor, 4,000 RPM, and a laser guide that tracks your cut in real time. Miter stops hit 0 DODIG, 15 DIG, 22.5 DIG, 30 DIG, and 45 DIG both directions. Obviously, it won't out-feature the DOVAMAN, but at 33.9 pounds, you're carrying real capability without carrying a premium price. Dust port, clamps, side supports, it's thoughtfully equipped. Pull the trigger. At number 3, we have the DEWALT 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. Who needs a saw that keeps up with a professional's pace without making you fight it every step of the way? You do, especially if you're cutting crown molding, stacking baseboards, or working through dimensional lumber all afternoon. The DWS779's 15-amp motor hits 3,800 RPM without breaking a sweat. You get 60 degrees right and 50 degrees left miter range, double bevel to 49 degrees both ways, and fences tall enough for 7'1", 2-inch crown. Obviously, 56 pounds isn't light. But here's the thing. If you're serious about clean, accurate cuts consistently, this DEWALT makes that decision feel like a no-brainer. At number 2, we have the SKIL 10A dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Portable and powerful, the SKIL MS6300500 is the most portable saw on this list without sacrificing serious capability. At 39.4 pounds with a built-in carrying handle, you're actually moving this thing between job sites without throwing your back out. The 15-amp motor hits 4,800 RPM, and you're getting dual bevel with positive stops at 45 DIG both directions. Here's the thing, that LED shadow line beats a laser for precision cuts every single time. Obviously, it won't replace a 12-inch saw for massive stock, but for 2 hot R12s at 90 degree and 2 A8s at 45 degree, you're completely covered. This one's yours if portability matters. And finally, at number 1, we have the DWT 10D sliding compound miter saw. Budget-minded woodworkers get serious cutting performance for a surprisingly reasonable outlay with the DWT HM Tone 31A. Here's the thing, you're not sacrificing much. Dual speeds, 3,200 and 4,500 RPM let you match the tool to your material. 3 TCT blades ship in the box, including a 48-tooth multifunction blade. That's genuinely useful. The laser guide tracks your cut in real time, so you're not guessing. Alright, it's not a DEWALT, honest admission, but if you're cutting wood and plastic on a budget, this saw fits your shop without emptying your wallet. 12-month warranty seals it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.